What is meaning of electric dipole? Two equal and opposite charges
Opposite charge
separated
separated
by
by
Separated by two
finite
edges.
distance.
finite distances. Aryan, you had asked me why 2a, because I told you most of the derivation we are going to take distance from center, so it
Take
should
from
not have,
center.
yeah,
Yes,
it should not have fraction. Therefore,
action.
yeah, we assumption is taken as.
Yes, sir.
Now I
Mhm.
want electric field intensity due to, even important for 12th standard board, CBSE as well as state board. This is included in CBSE state board also. Electric field intensity due to electric dipole on axis. हाँ लास्ट ईयर तक नहीं था, इस साल नया सिलेबस में दे हैव इंक्लूडेड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी ड्यू टू इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल ऑन एक्सिस. Consider electric dipole consisting of equal and opposite charge minus q and plus q separated by finite distance 2a. हेलो, हाँ हाँ बात करना है उनको. यस मैडम, हाँ नो प्रॉब्लम मैडम, नो प्रॉब्लम, नो प्रॉब्लम. You can collect the receipt also madam, no problem. You can collect the receipt, he will give you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let O be the center of dipole, therefore OA equals to OB equal to A. Let P be a point at a distance R from center O on the axis. Intensity at point P is given by E1. It is out due to charge at B is E1 outward because it is positive charge. So can I say it is K Q upon R at a distance of R from center. So R minus A square, it is directed outward. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Follow?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Due to charge at B, distance from B to P is R minus A. Therefore, I wrote R minus A the whole square. Now, intensity due to charge minus Q at A, due to charge minus Q at A at point P. E2 will be directed inward. So this is nothing but again KQ upon R plus A square. Second equation. It is inward, directed inward. Aniket, what will be result now? Add or subtract? Aniket, resultant intensity add or subtract?
Add.
Add, because it's wrong. Add wrong hai. Ayush, add or subtract?
Sir, subtract.
Subtract, because ulta direction है. Add क्यों? ये opposite है ना? Opposite है ना? Aniket, अनिकेत,
Yeah, sir. Sorry. गलती से
ऑपोजिट.
बोला. हाँ, sir.
ठीक है, ठीक है. प्रथम, हेलो प्रथम.
Yes, sir.
अंडरस्टूड दिस मच व्हाट आई रोट?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, कुछ नहीं आया तो बीच बीच में पूछ लो.
Yes.
कैन यू सजेस्ट मी व्हाई E1 minus E2 not E2 minus E1? Subtraction is right, but it could be E2 minus E1 also. I have written E1 minus E2. Why?
Sir, because E2 is smaller.
E2 is smaller because its denominator is large. Okay.
Yes.
So therefore we get E equals to K Q R minus A the whole square minus of KQ upon R plus A the whole square. Please copy till this, then I will generate the space. This Sunday you will have test on force, electric field, flux and line of force. ये तीन ही टॉपिक पे रहेगी. Electric field, so many things are there. Electric field, electric flux, force. Yes, why you join late, dear?
Sorry, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I forgot.
अच्छा, जैसा मत करो ना.
Sorry, sir.
Done, sir.
So left hand side part at least I can draw.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I got intensity E1, I got intensity E2, then difference is E1 minus E2 because E1 is greater क्योंकि उसका denominator is smaller. Now KQ I can take common. KQ if we take common, then inside we get 1 upon R minus A the whole square minus of 1 upon R plus A the whole square. So E equals to KQ is common. 1 upon R minus A the whole square minus of R plus A the whole square. So this is KQ into R plus A the whole square minus of R minus A the whole square upon R minus A R plus A the whole square. So E is equals to K Q into R square plus 2AR plus A square minus R square minus will become plus 2AR minus A square upon R square minus A square the whole square. We can cancel R square, A square, A square. So it becomes K Q 4AR upon R square minus A square the whole square. Please copy.
सर
हाँ.
सर हम लोग ने E2 के लिए चार्ज का साइन क्यों नहीं लिया, माइनस क्यों नहीं लिया?
नहीं देखो, कभी भी जब हम इंटेंसिटी निकालते हैं ना तो उसका मैग्नीट्यूड लिखते हैं विथ मैग्नीट्यूड एंड फिर डायरेक्शन निगेटिव के लिए इनवर्ड बोल देते हैं, पॉजिटिव के लिए आउटवर्ड.
ओके.
तो ये इनवर्ड जो बोला था ना, ये इनवर्ड बराबर, ये तो उसका मतलब वो चार्ज निगेटिव है. और जब स्केलर क्वांटिटी होता है तो प्लस के लिए प्लस, माइनस के लिए माइनस होता है.
ओके.
Done, sir.
Okay. अभी थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई कर दूंगा. I will get resultant intensity at any point on axis of electric dipole. So this means E equals to K cube 2A into 2R upon R square minus A square the whole square. I just wrote 4 as 2 into 2. What is 2A cube?
P.
P. But Q into 2A is denoted by P, which is called as electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment. So E becomes K into P into 2R upon R square minus A square the whole square. For short dipole, A is very small than R. So therefore we can neglect A square. E equals to K into 2P into R upon only R square raised to 2 we can write. So E becomes K into 2P upon R cube. This is formula for intensity at any point on the axis of short electric dipole. Short matlab distance is small between them. Followed derivation last formula K into 2P upon R cube. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please come till there. See, for entrance, we are not interested in derivation. But if we do once, we have confidence why we are writing K2P upon R cube. K means actually 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2P upon R cube.
Done, sir.
So I wrote here it is directed from negative charge to positive charge, that is along P bar. So angle between intensity at any point on axis of electric dipole and P bar is 0.
Done, sir.
Derive expression for intensity at any point on equator of short electric dipole. Derive expression for intensity at any point on equator of short electric dipole. Equator means line passing through center and perpendicular to the axis. So consider electric dipole consisting of equal and opposite charge minus q plus q separated by distance 2a. Let O be the center of dipole, therefore OA equals to OB equal to A. Let P be a point at a distance r from center O on the equator. Join PB, join PA. AP is same as PB, which is root of r square plus a square. Root of r square plus a square. So angle PAB equals to angle PBA equals to theta. Intensity at point P is due to charge Q is directed outward. Due to charge Q is directed inward. Draw a ray. Okay, just draw diagram this much. Then I'm explaining you further.
Sir, what is written after equator of?
Short electric dipole. Equator of short electric dipole. Completed till this E1 formula. It is KQ upon distance from P to B, which is root
Yes,
r
sir.
square plus a square the square. Correct. Similarly, second I wrote एक directed outward, दूसरा inward. Draw ray. Everybody is copied till this two equation.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then stop. Just see the diagram again. Draw ray parallel to B to A passing through P. Now, can you suggest me what will be this angle?
Theta.
Very good. Reason? Corresponding angle. Now, E1 can be resolved into two components, E1 cos and E1 sin. Similarly, this angle will be how much? Alternate, na?
Yes, sir. Theta.
This will be also theta. So that means this E2 can also be resolved into two components, E2 sine theta, this is E2, and here E2 cos theta. E1 sine, E2 sine, are they equal opposite?
Yes.
So only left out will be horizontal wala.
Yes, sir.
So resultant intensity E will be E1 cos theta plus E2 cos theta. E1, E2 are same, so I can say 2 times E1 cos theta. Please copy this much now with the diagram properly. Our November month target is electromagnetism to complete full.
Done, sir.
Resultant intensity 2 times E1 into cos theta. And now I'm clearing everything and then simplifying. So we get E equals to 2 times E1. E1 is K cube upon R square plus A square raised square will get cancelled. What is cos theta? If you have seen the figure, is it adjacent side A upon R square plus A square ka root?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. So this is 2 K into Q into 2A upon R square plus A square raised to 3 by 2. Again, P is 2A cube. So I can say E equals to K into P upon R square raised to 3 by 2. Since R is very, very large than A, so A square can be neglected. This gets neglected. E is Kp upon R cube. It is opposite to P bar because P bar is from minus to plus. This was from plus to minus, parallel to that. So angle between E bar on equator and P bar is 180 degree. Sorry. So if point is on the equator, then Kp upon R cube. If on the axis, K into 2P upon R cube.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
So that means we got axis formula, we got equator formula now at any point wala formula. Consider electric dipole consisting of equal and opposite charge separated by distance 2a. Let O be the center. Therefore, OA equals to OB equals to A. Let P be a point at a distance r from center O on the line making angle theta with the axis. As P bar is a vector quantity, it can be resolved into two rectangular components. P cos theta along OP and P sin theta perpendicular to OP. So we can have here P cos theta along OP and P sin theta perpendicular to OP. Intensity at point P, hello,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
P lies on the axis of P cos theta. So intensity will be suppose E along axis directed outward, and this is E for equator directed opposite to P sin theta. So resultant intensity E will make some angle with E1 or E along axis. Just draw the diagram and write this much.
Done, sir.
So we got E intensity at point P on the axis of P cos theta and on the equator of P sin theta. Both are perpendicular, so resultant can be found by Pythagoras theorem. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Resultant intensity. E equals to square root of E axis square plus E equator square K 2P cos theta upon R cube the whole square K P sin theta upon r cube the whole square in root. So this will become K P upon r cube. I am bringing outside the root. So inside you will get 2 cos theta the whole square plus sin theta the whole square. That will become Kp upon r cube root of 4 cos square theta plus sin square theta. That is Kp upon r cube root of 3 cos square theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta. So this is Kp upon r cube root of 3 cos square theta plus 1. This is formula for intensity at any point due to electric dipole. For direction of E bar, tan of alpha is equals to E equator upon E axis from the diagram if you see. So that means it will be 2 K into P into sin theta upon r cube divided by K into 2P cos theta upon r cube. Just copy again till this. Yes, Ayush followed till this derivation, Ashlisha?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Followed.
Take it.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now I'm proceeding with MCQs so that this theory this much you can revise and MCQs we are doing. Just open the PDF of electrostatics. You all can see the PDF. Come to page number. Page number 38. Pratham, did you get this? Yes, Pratham.
Doing it, sir.
No, did you get that sheet? I have included you in this group. उसका heading
I-
देखो, हाँ,
yes,
तो
I
अब-
got
yes. Some number now. Last class we did till I think 11th.
11.
12th one. 12th.
Sir,
हाँ. Yes, अनिकेत क्या बोल रहे हो? 20 joule of work. 20 joule of work is done to move an electron, to move electric charge of 4 coulomb from a potential at 10 volt to the potential at V volt. What is the value of V? Hello?
Yes.
Whenever we are moving charge from lower potential to higher potential, we have to do work against the repulsive force. So it is VB minus VA is work done to move the charge from A to B upon Q. This is the formula. Potential work done from A to B is potential from B to A. So this is V. This is A given 10. Work done is how many joule they have given?
20.
20.
20.
20 joule. Charge is 4 coulomb. So 5. Therefore, V will be 15 volt. This time. Always remember work is done from A to B, but potential difference is V minus A. उल्टा होता है. Aniket, you are asking something?
सर वो आज जो आपने सिखाया ना डाइपोल उसके क्वेश्चंस पेज 42 पे थे वो मैं बोल रहा था.
So I'm going in line. Na?
ओके सर.
Once we complete this sheet, I will give you one more at least 200, 300 question का sheet. उतना करना, ज़्यादा नहीं करना. खत्म पे.
Done, sir. Equipotential surface in a certain region is given. Very, very, very important sum. See, from state board syllabus, this is deleted. Equipotential surface. But in entrance, so far they have not told whether it is kept or not. So we are doing this. 15 volt, 30 volt, 45 volt. This is making 30 degree, 30 degree, 30 degree at point A, at point B, at point C.
Distance are 10, 20 and 30 in centimeter. So I'm just reading the questions one again. Equipotential surface in a certain region are as shown in the figure. What is magnitude of strength of electric field? Magnitude of strength of electric field. 15 वोल्ट मत इक्विपोटेंशियल मतलब ये पूरा पॉइंट किधर भी लोगे तो 15 वोल्ट है. दिस इज द मीनिंग. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, yeah, we are interested in what is electric field strength. This is 30 volt. So, electric field strength E is given by dV upon dr. I'm going to prove later on this one. E is dV by dr. dV मतलब ये दोनों का बीच का potential difference, and r means perpendicular distance between them. This distance is 10. See, 20 and 10 में फर्क 10 का है ना.
Yes, sir.
So if I take this as r, then can I say in triangle AMB, this is also 30. Sine 30 is opposite side, that is r, upon hypotenuse AB. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is sine 30 value?
Half.
Half. And AB is how much?
10.
10. So I can write like this. Sine 30 is half equals to r upon AB 10, which is r equals to 5 centimeter, 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 in meter. Now E is potential difference 30 minus 15 upon 5 into 10 raised to minus 2. So 15 upon 5 into 10 raised to plus 2. E is equals to 300 volt per meter. 300 volt per meter. Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, can you tell me what will be direction of this field? Direction of the field. से आगे आपको मैं समझाऊंगा. Electric field is perpendicular to equipotential surface because imagine this is center, all distance are equidistant. If this, so इधर हर जगह पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का डिस्टेंस सेम एंड इट इज डायरेक्टेड आउटवर्ड फ्रॉम हियर. ये परपेंडिकुलर होगा. तो ये सरफेस को परपेंडिकुलर ऐसा आएगा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, परपेंडिकुलर, and always directed from less charge to more charge. That means it will be directed from higher voltage to lower voltage. चलो आप जाने दो, छोड़ो, टेंशन मत लो, पहले इतना देखो, बाद में बताओ. Jennifer, till this theory you have followed?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. टॉर्क वाला समझ गया और इंटेंसिटी आल्सो यू फॉलो ना.
Yes, sir.
ओके. Can I clear now this one?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, नेक्स्ट हम देखते हैं. Easy. 14th one. The insulation of air breaks when the strength of electric field becomes 1.8 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per Coulomb. What is the maximum charge that a sphere can have of radius 3 meter, so that the insulation is not broken. Okay. How much charge this sphere will have so that insulation is not broken. Intensity for the sphere is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. E is 1.8 into 10 raised to 6. This is 9 into 10 raised to 9. Charge q you want 3 square is 9. I can cancel. So q equals to 1.8 into 10 raised to 6 upon 10 raised to 9. Therefore, q equals to 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 3 coulomb. Hey, option
Yes, sir. C.
C, correct. C.
Done, sir.
Next, sum number
15.
15th one. When electric charge is given to two bodies A and B of copper and glass respectively, charge will. See, copper is metal, so charge will spread on metal. And glass is insulator, it will be localized. Check. Spread over A and remain at point in B, that is correct option, that is B. For conductor, it will spread, and for insulator, it will be localized. SI unit of electric intensity at a point in electric field.
2.
B.
Newton per coulomb B, correct? 17. Electric intensity and electric potential are. Intensity is vector and potential is
Scalar.
18. Electric intensity due to cylindrical conductor at a point, at a distance x1 and x2 from its axis and outside are E1, E2. Then what is the relation? So intensity near cylinder I have not yet explained. We will do by Gauss's theorem. It is given by lambda upon 2 pi r epsilon, where r is distance, lambda is called charge per unit length. So E1 upon E2 will be R2 by R1, which is here X2 by X1. Nineteenth. An electric charge of 10 raised to minus 3 microcoulomb is placed at origin of XY coordinate system. 2 points A and B are situated at root 2 comma root 2, root 2 comma root 2 and 2 comma 0 respectively. Then potential difference between A and B will be potential difference between A and B. See, if I get distance of charge from origin to A and for B, then charge is same, distance let us check. What is RA? Can you tell me? What will be this R? This is root 2. This
Pythagoras
is,
theorem.
so how much you will get R? Root of root 2 square plus,
Root 6.
no. How root 6? Root 2 square is 2. Root 2 square is 2. Root 4 2 ना 2 आ आया बराबर आ गया 2.
हाँ सर.
And RB is also 2. That means potential at A is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q upon RA, and potential at B is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon RB. दोनों सेम सेम है ना, बिकॉज RA RB सेम आया ना. हेलो.
Yes sir.
So VA
Yes,
is
sir.
same as VB. That means difference will be 0. हो गया, ये आंसर है. Potential difference 0.
Done sir.
Done.
Yes sir.
So today we stop here. Please revise everything and